Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Crownedbydess, and as y'all read by the title, I am going to be retwisting my locks. If you're a subscriber, I know you're probably like, what are you talking about? Yes, your girl got locks. I lock my hair. I do a whole video on why I chose to lock my hair, some progress pictures, all of that. But for this video, I'll let you guys know I have been locked for 1 month, and I did start my locks off with comb coils. I went to a loctician and did that. However, I'm gonna retwist my own hair. I have retwisted locks before. I've never styled them. But okay, so these are the locks. It's been growing. So, yeah, we about to get this together. I got my clips. I got a comb. I'm gonna use Shiny Gem because that's what she used when she did them. But as I get better, I'll find better products. But I'm gonna be using Shiny Gem. And I gotta get my spray bottle, so I'll be back. So I'm finished. This is how it's looking. We definitely brought some life into it. Like I said, I've only had my locks for a month, so none of them are fully locked. And the ones that's in the front, I guess I have a looser type of hair versus the ones in the back and middle. So they're just doing their own little thing. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp. I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp and put my scarf on, and then once they dry, I'll be back to attempt to style it. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I think it's been like 2 days. I retwisted my hair, as y'all just seen. I took the clips out, and this is what we got. I didn't blow dry them or anything. I actually fell asleep. Let me turn around. So now I'm gonna style them. Like I said, I wore it like this for about 2 days. And I'm about to do barrel twist, my first time. So yeah, I already got my hair split down the middle. I got my little middle part. So I'm just gonna try to make sure it's about the same amount of locks on each side. And I'm just gonna put those like that. Okay. Now, how the girl, I think I'm gonna leave this little lock out. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Let me turn around. Side view. So cute. I love it. Like I said, this is my first month with locks officially, and I went ahead, as y'all seen, I retwisted and I styled them. This is my first time ever styling locks, period, and I did them on myself. So it's not perfect. This is my favorite one. This is the first one I did. This is the one y'all seen. But yeah, so it's cute. Like I said, I'm gonna do a whole video on why I locked my hair and the reason why I locked my hair and the main questions that you have for people who have started locks. Maybe I'll do that at my 2-month mark, but for month 1, this is what you guys get. If you have any comments, questions, drop them down below in the comment box, and make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications. Your girl will be back soon. Bye.